is short. Next. Huwag masyadong mabilis. Naka-on yan. So there, when you enter, there's a small space. A mini ref. So this is your toilet. Hindi yan pala. So, there's your bed. It's actually fit for 2 people. And this is your view. You have a neighbor here, just separated with this one grills. So this is your view.
Manila Bay.
Yeah, this is the Manila Bay. There's a lot of boats there, you can see. And that one there is the Manila Yacht Club. And here, the one I told you, it's a stadium. Yeah, you can watch football here in your balcony. This one, ongoing construction. It's a mall, I think. And this is the Sheraton Hotel. Yeah, it's pretty nice here. See?